Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Sportsify on your Windows PC quickly and easily. If you enjoy PC tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. Let's get started. Step 1. Open BlueStacks. First, launch BlueStacks on your Windows PC from your desktop or Start menu. Wait a few moments for the emulator to load completely. Step 2. Open the Google Play Store. Once BlueStacks is ready, click on the Google Play Store icon. If this is your first time using BlueStacks, sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store and download Android apps. Step 3. Search for Sportsify. After signing in, click on the search bar at the top and type Sportsify. Press Enter and wait for the search results to appear. If the app is available in your region, select it from the results and click the Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few minutes. Conclusion. That's it. Sportsify is now installed on your PC, and you're ready to start using it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful PC guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.